Hello Taurus! For today's video, let's do a love reading for you. Tingnan natin kung ano ang messages ng baraha para sa iyong romantic life or love life. Okay. But before we proceed, I would like to say thank you so much sa mga bagong subscribers, followers, and sa mga nag-iiwan ng kanilang messages or energies sa pag-comment, like, and subscribe sa ating mga videos and social media accounts. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. At sa mga nagpabook ng private sessions with me, maraming salamat din. And I'm more active sa TikTok. You can visit me there. Nagla-live reading tayo. Kung gusto niyo ng live reading with me or kung gusto niyo makita akong mag-reading, andun po ako. And this is for your Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising, Saturn placements. At kung ikaw ay may heavy Taurus sa iyong natal chart, this video might be for you. Tingnan natin. For other zodiac signs naman, check nyo na lang sa ating mga playlist para sa iba't ibang placements ninyo. Baka sakaling may messages doon para sa iyo. Let's go. Love life. General reading ito. Pwedeng makarelate ka, pwedeng hindi. Ibigay mo sa iba kung hindi ka makarelate. We got Page of Wands. Page of Wands. Next. Ten of Pentacles. The Strength. Queen of Pentacles. Seven of Wands. Two of Cups. Okay. Let's add more. For your love life. Page of Swords. Okay. For some of you, meron ako nakikitang mabigat na energy when it comes to emotions. Nagpipigil ka to take actions towards someone. Pwedeng nakausap mo siya through social media. And for the meantime, nagkaroon ng mutual feelings dito. Pero hindi siya nagtagal eh. Some of you defensive when it comes to romance naman. Kasi taking their time to focus on their abundance, on their wealth, on their career. Pero for some naman, lalo na kung single ka, meron kang possible na makikilala through social media, online dating apps. And this person can really take care of financial aspects. Matalino siya when it comes to finances. Yun ay para sa mga singles. Kung ikaw naman ay in a relationship while watching this one, isa sa inyo ng partner mo ay defensive when it comes to communication. Lalo na sa mga nararamdaman ninyo sa isa't isa. Instead na makakuha ka ng truth dito, merong defensiveness energy here from your person. And for some of you, you are waiting for your person to say something that magbibigay ng assurance sa'yo. What else? Knight of Pentacles. Okay. Last card for this set. Two of Wands. Okay. Mukhang promising ang energy. Mukhang promising ang energy na nakikita ko sa love life mo. Pasensya na sa mga extra noises. I cannot control that, but hopefully, you can still hear my voice. For some of you, Taurus, mukhang promising ang energy ng love life. Pero, medyo ayaw mo mag-take ng risk. Meron ako nakikitang LDR situation dito. Stable naman ang progress ng relationship ninyo. Pero, mukhang promising ang love life, pero at stable siya tingnan. Pero meron ako nakikita dito intuitively, this relationship, especially this is for in a relationship, walang pag-uusap o malinaw na communication ako nakikita eh. Hindi ko nakikita na magkakaroon kayo kayo ng partner mo ng masisinang pag-uusap, clarity. Hindi ko nakikita yun dito. And isa sa inyo nagiging defensive na when it comes to this one. And what else? Here, for others naman. Just again, for Taurus's love life. Okay. Ang nakikita ko naman dito, possible, kung titingnan kayo ng partner mo, sobrang okay kayo. Recently, nagkaroon kayo ng celebration together or may papalapit na yung celebration. Maybe anniversary, monthsary, birthday ng person mo, or birthday ng mga kakilala ng person mo. Pero, although lagi mo siyang kasama, nagkakaroon kayo ng on and off situation dito hanggang sa nadadamay na ang finances. Ang nakikita kong advice and guidance here, mag-usap kayo ng person mo. Huwag mong hayaan na ma-stuck kayo sa energy ng walang pag-uusap. Hindi kayo umuusad kasi hindi kayo nag-uusap. For some of you, naghihintay na lang kayo ng parang hiwalayan kayo ng person mo or hiwalayan mo siya. Parang naghihintay ka na lang ng momentum. Meron din ako nakikitang family affairs dito. Involve yung family mo at ng person mo at medyo tumataas ang kilay ng feminine energy. Pwedeng parents mo to or mother mo. Hindi niya bet ang person mo or hindi niya gusto ang person na yan para sa'yo or vice versa. Hindi ka gusto ng parents ng person mo or ng mother ng person mo. Meron din ako nakikitang gusto nang humiwalay ng person mo sa'yo. Pero, hindi mo siya tinitigilan eh. Hindi man kayo nag-uusap ng maayos, pero pwedeng pinupuntahan mo siya, tapos nagkakaroon kayo ng arguments. Pwedeng maranasan mo pa lang to or mararanasan pa lang to. Avoid this. Kailangan ninyong mag-uusap ng masinsinan, maayos, at klaro. And for your last, for others naman, atupagin ninyo ang inyong finances and wag masyadong i-focus ang energy sa love. We got Temperance, the Devil, Five of Swords, Knight of Swords, Three of Pentacles, Ten of Cups, the Hierophant. Last is the Tower card. Kanina, sinabi ko I can see a separation energy or possible na magkaroon kayo ng gap ng person mo. And for some of you, pag hindi niyo naagapan yung toxic cycle ng person mo, lalo na if there's money involved, there's gambling involved, toxic habits involved, there is this energy of separation na pwedeng magkaroon ng clash when it comes to family. Some of you, there's this law involved yung sampa ng case, wag naman sana. And for others of you, intuitively I can see an energy. Pwedeng magkaroon ng hindi maayos na pag-uusap to eh. and there's also third party energy. It's heavy, and ang nakikita lang ng iba, sobrang ganda ng relationship niyo through pictures, through social media. Pero hindi ko siya nakikita that this is the reality of your relationship. Ang laki ding perang involved sa relationship na to. It's for some, sobrang daming nasayang na pera, nasayang na effort, and isa sa inyo, very, ang tigas ng ulo, ayaw magpabawal, ayaw makinig, kaya nagkakaroon ng clashing when it comes to pag-uusap. Logical thinking, logical thoughts matters. May ganun ako nakikita dito and hindi na maganda ang nakikita ko, lalo na kung ikaw ay in a relationship. Hindi magandang outcome ang nakikita ko when it comes to this partnership. Sa mga single naman, pwedeng mas magpo-focus muna kayo ngayon sa family at finances ninyo. And ang nakikita kong paparating is someone stable person, pero hindi siya ganon ka-showy and emotionally like present at first, and medyo matagal din siyang mag-open up. Pero this person, meron siyang energy ng stability and can really provide. Medyo kinukulang lang when it comes to actions and emotions. Sa mga ayun nga, in a relationship naman or magka-connect, there is a separation here and a money involved, toxicity of this partnership. And yeah, this is your reading, Taurus. If naka-resonate ka and nakatulong sa'yo, don't forget to leave your energies sa comments, sa like, and don't forget to subscribe and follow. Thank you.